It's RhymeLand.
Black is the night when we go to sleep. Black is the cat that loves to creep. Black is a rubber tire on the road. Black is the tiny little toad. White is the day when we wake up wide. White is the cloud where the sunshine can hide. White is the milk in your breakfast cup. White is the snow when it piles right up. The black night goes, the white day comes to call. The colors are opposites, we love them all. A black and white cow says